So this right here is so powerful that you do not want to drink it. Hey guys, Jules here. I am going to show you guys today how I make my homemade sanitizer. Now this came in very handy for us back in 2020 when the sanitizer disappeared from all the store shelves. So this is our homemade way to make sanitizer, and it's fairly inexpensive because the ingredients will last you a very long time. This is our secret ingredient to our hand sanitizer. 190 proof, it has to be 190 proof, Everclear grain alcohol. So this right here is so powerful that you do not want to drink it. It's 95% alcohol by volume. So just think about, like, wine is usually like 13% alcohol. This is 95%. So it only takes a little bit to make our sanitizer. So this is what we're going to do. And I'll include the recipe down in the bottom, although I'm not sure I have real measurements. We'll just see. Okay, so the top ingredient is the Everclear. And another thing, which we're almost out of this, so I have to order this on Amazon, and I will actually include a link to this. Hopefully I can still order some, because this is what helps the other ingredients emulsify together. So also it helps your hands not to dry out. Since making our own sanitizer, we have not experienced really dry hands, and I think this is one of the reasons why. So you're going to get aloe vera gel, and then we'll do water, and then the final ingredient is this On Guard essential oil. So what we're going to do, and I use this to put it in. I'm not sure how many ounces this is. I've been using it. You can definitely smell all the goodie in here. The On Guard smells really, really nice. So I don't know what size this is as far as like ounces, but this is what I use. And what I usually do is I take a measuring cup. Sometimes I just don't use the measuring cup, but for today I will use the measuring cup. And I'm going to put 3/4 of a cup of vodka into this stainless steel thermos. Okay, so I moved this over here where you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. And so what I do is I take this Everclear and I add, first thing I do is add 3/4 cup. Usually I just kind of eyeball it and just put, I guess, like 1 part vodka and maybe 3 or 4 parts water. But I figure it's about 3/4 of a cup. And it fills this thing up to about, well, probably about right here. So it'd be probably 1 part vodka and almost 4 parts water. So the next thing I do is, and I'm almost out of it, is I add this. And usually I just kind of eyeball it as well, but what you could do is just use the lid, because you're just wanting a little bit in there. You're not wanting a whole lot. So then you just put that in there. And then you take the On Guard, and I'm going to put 20 drops of On Guard essential oil. And that was probably more. It's hard to count because it's coming out so fast. But then after that, all you do is you fill this up with water. And I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, so once you fill it up with water, then you're going to take, I can grab the lid here. Take your lid. And you're just going to stick the lid on and give it a good shake. You want to shake it up really good so everything kind of disperses in there, gets blended well. Okay, so then the next thing I do is I actually use, we've got a couple of these bottles we use in the house, and then I made these. So this is really simple to do. If you have some essential oil bottles already, you can buy these little lids, and I'll actually include a link, if I can remember all these links, of these from Amazon. I need to get me some more. And you just cut the little tip off. So this is usually a little longer. Cut a little, and you probably could afford to cut a little bit more off, but than I did. But you cut the tip off a little bit, and then what I usually do is I fill these up, and then as I need them, pour into here. And these work really well. This fits just perfectly on one of these essential oil bottles. Okay, so that is all there is to that. It's such a simple thing to do, especially in 2020. This really worked well for us. We were able to have our own sanitizer when the world was out of sanitizer. So, and it smells really good, and it's good for your skin, and there you go. So I hope this video helped you guys in making your own hand sanitizer. Have a blessed day.